Hello friends, welcome again. Today I am going to cover the exercise of class 7 chapter Wind, Storm and Cyclones. The explanation of this chapter I have given in my previous videos. So see that. Now come to the exercise. Let's start. First question is fill the missing word in the blanks spaces in the following statement. Wind is moving air. Second number, winds are generated due to the uneven heating on the earth. C point is near the earth's surface, warm air is rise up whereas cold air comes down. D point is air moves from a region of high pressure to a region of lower pressure. Now next question is suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. Two methods of find out the direction are by flying kite. When we fly a kite, it will be easily fly towards the direction of the wind. Second point is riding a bicycle. When we ride a bicycle, our cycle will move easily in the direction of the wind. These are the two methods to find out the direction of the wind. Now, third question is state two experiences that made you think that air exerts pressure. Okay, when we blow air in the balloons, increases its size. When we keep on blowing air, जब extra air we fill in it, the balloon burst. It shows that air exceeds pressure. But if extra air inside the balloon, it will be pressurized and it will burst. Second point is when we fill air in the tire of our bicycle, when we fill extra air, the tire also burst. It shows the extra pressure of the air. Now come to the next question. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? No, we would not like to buy a house having no ventilators because we know warm air is lighter and raise up. So warm air of the room would not get way to go out from the room if there is no ventilator. So the ventilator is necessary to go out for the hot air from the room. Fifth question is explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. The answer is holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings to pass the air through these holes. Air has pressure, we know. So if the air press the hoardings, there is no hole, it will fall down. So that banners and hoardings will not get displaced by the pressure of air by its hole. Sixth question is how will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village or town? The answer is we will help my neighbors in the different ways. First way is to shifting their useful things or goods inside their home. Second point is keep ready the phone numbers which we have. We will provide them. Next number is we will stop our to tell them not to touch wet switches and fallen power lines. Now question number 7th. What plannings is required to advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone? The answer is the planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone. The points are: arrangements should made to shift the essential household goods, domestic animals and vehicles etc. to safer place. Second point is always store drinking water, because the water is not available there when there is cyclone, or it is not hygienic. Third point is keep ready the phone numbers of all emergency services like police, fire brigade and medical centers also. Now question number 8 is which one of the following place is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? Chennai, Mangalore, Amritsar and Puri. The answer is Amritsar is unlikely to affected by a cyclone because it is not a coastal area, near the coastal area. Question number 9. Which of the following statements given below is correct? Which is correct? We have to find it. First point is in winter the winds flow from the land to the ocean. Second point is in summer the winds flow from the land towards the ocean. Third point is a cyclone is formed by a very high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. Fourth point is the coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclones. The answer is in winter the winds flow from the land to the ocean. Now the exercise is completed. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.